We're back for another These Two Girls short. I am Cheyenne.
I am Candy.
And let's get into it.
All right. So I know you guys are aware that a lot of people have been talking about red flags, right? Flags. Red flags in relationship, red flags in men, red flags in women. Mm-hmm. Well, I came across this post on Twitter from Advice from a F-Boy.
Mm-hmm. I like that page.
You like that page?
Yeah, funny.
Check them out. So they posted, we always talk about red flags on the first date. Ladies, fellas, give me a green flag on a first date that's going to make you say, let's do this again sometime and mean it.
Okay. So green flags for the first date.
For the first date.
And we just did our online dating episode earlier in January. And so
this ties in perfectly.
If you've taken that leap, you've gotten onto one of these apps and you've started a little connection and you're planning on meeting up for a first date, here are some things that might be good signs to say, let me keep talking to this person.
Okay.
So yeah.
So do you want to share some of what they posted?
Yeah, so I have some of what they wrote in the comments. Okay.
In the comments.
You gotta go in the comments.
You gotta go in the comments, yes.
So what they're saying in the comments is, most of the general stuff, good conversation. Mm-hmm. And that's big for me too, because this would be a red flag for somebody else to me, because I'm really not a big conversationalist at first.
Okay.
I take a while to adjust. So I've had complaints in the past where people are like, you don't talk. Why are you not saying nothing? Why are you so quiet? So, but for me, one of the things that I enjoyed about Guy when we first talked on the phone was that he carried the conversation very well, and in a way where I was able to engage, enough. I wasn't just quietly listening to him talk, but then he wasn't just like stopping and being like, so what do you have to say now? We just let the conversation flow. So I enjoyed that.
So that just being able to let conversations flow without forcing it, without conversations that can flow. What else you saw there in the comments?
There was one that was pretty interesting. Vibes to my playlist. That's assuming you didn't listen to us and you didn't drive yourself to the dates and you're in the car together. Mm-hmm. And whatever, that's fine too.
If you know him, but
and you have a playlist going, and the person is like, "Oh, okay, what's this song? I like this." Or "Oh yeah, I know this artist. I like this." I'm big on music too, so yeah. But honestly, this is not gonna be a me and Guy conversation show, but we don't really like the same music.
You
sometimes.
don't?
No, a lot of the times, but it's fun. It's actually fun.
Okay.
You see, you don't have to be compatible in everything, guys. It's okay to
it's just when we're cleaning together, what are we playing?
One week we play my playlist. Next week we play yours.
And what about the bedroom playlist? What is that?
I mean, who's listening to the playlist anyway? Next on the comment.
Okay, all right. I'm sorry. All right.
Are you scrolling through the comments as we speak? Girl, I'm done with you.
Yeah, I think for the comments one, I wrote the same thing.
You wrote the same thing.
But then I have my own.
All right, so what are yours?
Okay, so first date, sense of humor.
Okay.
And can click with my sense of humor. So I can be very sarcastic sometimes. And sometimes I don't know I'm being sarcastic, but somebody that can catch that and don't think I'm being shady but can vibe with my sarcasm. And we can laugh and all of that. So that's one of mine.
Okay. What else you got?
First date, green flag.
So you have a longer list than mine. I'm gonna let you go through a few of them. That's it? For the first?
It kind of goes into...
Okay. So one that I had was personality, like a modest personality. Like I prefer people who are kind of down to earth, not really, all about themselves and, you look good, but you don't have to be fixing checking yourself out and whatever. You look good, you're confident, but you have a modest personality.
Nice.
Because I feel like I'm in that category, so I like for someone to match that energy. And
I like that.
I've been on dates before where I've seen somebody and then they're just like a lot, and I'm like, okay. Yeah, but so when you meet somebody that's on the same energy level as you, I think that's a good green flag to go with.
Another one too, someone who gives me their attention, right? Like you're not trying to be in your phone the whole time. You're not checking your watch.
Like
you're
they're
not
on call or something.
Right, like you're a doctor. Like I mean, if we discussed this earlier that you're a doctor,
and you're on call.
Sure. But if you're not, why are you always in your phone?
Right.
Kind of just even checking everything that's going on around, not for safety reasons, but just in the business of everything that's happening around. Like give me your attention.
Yes,
So someone that's giving you their full undivided attention, I think it's a good green flag.
Okay. Well, I mean, honestly, that's all I have.
Someone that's also positive, positive in terms of their conversation isn't very pessimistic. You know what I'm saying? Like I came across someone the other day that told me that I live in a world with rainbows and unicorns. But he also had a very pessimistic approach to life.
Okay.
Very negative, very anti-Black people. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like green flags, you can carry a conversation and you're not a downer. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much what I have. First dates.
First date.
First dates, right?
Not too much. Don't put too much pressure on it. Just assess the situation. Maybe you've been talking for a while, maybe not, but just see how it goes, feel them out, feel the energy, and then decide.
And enjoy.
Don't go in with any expectations. Just chill. Yeah. All right. If you have any green flags that you would like to add that you look for on a first date, let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. All of that's floating around somewhere here. And follow us on Instagram, These2Gurls. We're on TikTok. We're on Facebook. We're on Twitter too. Yeah, we're gonna get it all
everywhere.
Down. It's all
everywhere.
Here. Follow us.
Follow.
Thank you so much for supporting us.
Thank you.
See you next time.
All right. Enjoy your dating. Bye.